To create an Instagram account, open the app and tap on Create New Account. You can sign up using either your email or phone number. Enter your choice and tap Next. Instagram will send a code to that email or phone number. Check your messages, enter the code, and tap Next. Next, Instagram will ask you to create a password. Make sure it's something you can remember, but also secure. After that, you'll see an option to save your login info. This is optional, so you can choose to save it or skip it. Then, you'll be asked to enter your date of birth. Pick the correct date and tap Next. After that, type in your full name and tap Next. Now, it's time to choose your username. If the one you want is taken, Instagram will suggest some alternatives. Pick one or come up with a new one, then tap Next. You'll need to agree to Instagram's terms and conditions to continue. After that, Instagram will offer you to add a profile picture, connect your Facebook account, sync contacts, and follow some suggested accounts. All of these steps are optional. You can skip them and finish setting up your account.